Hey, what's going on, guys and gals? In this video, I'm going to go over the plugins that I'm using here on this master chain. And the purpose of this is to show the camera versus the speech. So when it says, Fairlight Live, can you use this for live performances? And I'm going to go ahead and say absolutely. Because the latency on it is absolutely so low. And I want to show you the plugins that I am using. I'm using the T-Rack 6 Series Pro up here by IK Multimedia. And we're going to go down and look at this in Fairlight Live. And I'll show you the FX chain that I'm going to use on the master. And then you're going to hear my voice change as I actually turn this on. Because what you're hearing right now is just a raw signal. It's going into the Wing mixer, out into Fairlight Live, and then back into the Wing mixer, and then out to Camtasia. Now, the video that I'll be using is straight from the camera. Please hold the comments on my mug. That, this is a rare glimpse. Normally, I don't like being on camera. But, you got to do what you got to do. So just follow along with what I'm going to do. And if you can see it here, what's that old saying? If it's live, it's Memorex, okay? So let's go ahead and jump down into the Fairlight Live software, and I'll show you the chain that we're going to use. So here we go. Here's our audio coming in. This is a AKG P120 microphone that I'm using. It is a condenser microphone. And I'm going to pull up the suite. What we have here, this is the Classy Halo and Clean limiter. So we have the EQ, quad compressor, precision compressor limiter, and then a brick wall limiter. So when I turn this on, you're going to hear my voice change. Get this out of the way here. And then you'll actually see this audio coming through. And then we're going to bring up the video as I say the following terms. Okay, and just pay attention to what you hear versus what you see come out of my lips. None of this audio will be altered in any way whatsoever, okay? So let's go ahead and turn it on. And here we go. So if I come over here to the first one, this is our EQ. And you can see the setting that I've got here. I'm just got a little bit of bump going up for the actual highs. And the quad compressor, you'll see that I'm reducing this area right here. I got a little bit of bass in my voice. Here's my gain reduction. The precision compressor limiter, I'm cutting it by about 2 to 3 dBs. And then on the brick wall limiter, as you look over here to the left, I've actually got this set to a -1 output. Okay? And that's what it's going to show. So let's go ahead and bring up the camera and just watch my lips compared to what you hear. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. How many peppers did Peter Piper pick? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, guys? So you make the call. When people talk about, well, you really won't be able to use it for live shows, well, I think you can. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you have any questions, by all means, ask away. All right? Take care. God bless. And we are out of here.